good, YouTube? It's your boy TK here, and today we're gonna see if this Z Taser, as you can see, will make my dog challenge go any faster. So some people say that it does, but I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and see. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and look, man, we at 340 right now. We need 10 more subscribers, bro, and we're on the way to 350, bro. We're going really fucking fast right now. So make sure y'all tune in the video, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's go ahead and go. All right, y'all, can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see. So let's go ahead and start this bitch, all right? We here, let's start this bitch. 4, 3, 2. What's that, 5.6? My nigga, 5.6? My nigga, come on, bro. We can do better than that. I ain't gonna lie, we can do a whole lot better than that, bro. Come on, man. 5.6, that shit is not cutting it, gang. That shit is not, nah, that shit is not cutting it, gang. Hold on. I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying, like, it's kind of hard to, like, go super fast over here. I don't really have an area over here where I could just go, pew, just zoom. You know what I mean? Like, this is the best I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna try this bitch again, cause I ain't gonna lie, to not like that. 5.6, gang, come on, bro. We can do a whole lot better than that, bro. I ain't about this Z Taser for no fucking reason, bro. Let's do that shit again. Second attempt. We're gonna go ahead and go. Everybody, for some reason, wants to come out tonight, bro. For some odd reason. Y'all see that nigga right there? I don't know, y'all can see him. Thank God he's turning. Bro, why the fuck is a cat in the way? Bro, get out of there. You gonna get fucking ran over, nigga. Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Let's start this bitch again. My nigga, 6.1? Come on, bro. My nigga, this shit did not make my shit fast at all. Is it me? Bruh, is it me? Gang, is it me? Like, what the fuck is going on? Like, bruh, 6.1? Man, I know this is a fucking boat, but damn. Come on, gang. Come on, y'all. 6.1? Come on, bro. We gonna try this bitch in sports mode this time, all right? Let's try this bitch on sports mode. Click sports. We here. Is that car coming down here? I'm gonna wait on this damn car, bro. See, bro? Everybody out there, mama wanna come out, bro. Like, god damn. Let me move over a little bit. Like, this shit is ridiculous, bro. All of us, this street is not that fucking crowded, bro. I don't understand why people are just coming out. Oh, this shit is crazy. My nigga, go! Oh my God, bro. What is they doing? Go. All right. Here we go. Sports mode. Okay, 6.0. All right. We're getting better. We're getting a little better. We're getting a little better. I ain't gonna lie, this shit did not make my shit faster, gang. This did not make my faster. It did not make my shit faster, bro. Whoever said that shit, whoever said that bullshit that it makes your shit faster, bro, it don't. I spent $350 on this bitch, yo. We gonna try it one more time. Give y'all one more pull, alright? This is sports mode again. Here we go. One more pull. Come on, make this a good one. y'all. I will fucking take it, bro. No cap. I will take it, bro. I'll take it. Fuck it, bro. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Look, man. More of the story is, bro, the Z Taser do not make you faster. No cap. It don't make you faster, bro. So, if y'all in the market for it, bro, it's a good tool. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want to, like, change your splash screen or something like that, as I've shown y'all in previous videos of what it does. I mean, another thing it does give me, I didn't have the, you know how it said, like, you know, the lap shit? I didn't have that in my car before I got the damn Taser. So the Taser did give me that. So, it does not make you faster. Shit was a fail. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. And like I said, bro, we at 340, about to hit 350, bro. We're going up, man. I do got a banger for y'all, bro. But work has been having me like busy, bro. So I just haven't been able to record it, bro. But when I record it, bro, y'all gonna see that bitch, bro. On my note again, y'all see that shit, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm in this shit here, bro.